Hi everyone, happy Monday. It's time for our morning meeting again. So for morning meeting, again, you just have to watch this video and then you're going to complete your share activity. So for our greeting this morning, I'm just going to say, hi everyone, I hope you have a wonderful week. For our share, I actually switched it up a little bit. So instead of sharing your feelings today, we have a would you rather question. So our reading story this week is about a mystery. So my question is, would you rather be a detective or a pilot? A detective is someone who works for the police and solves mysteries and works on cases, and a pilot is someone who works at an airport and flies a plane. So I want you to write your answer underneath your picture. Just use one-word answers, please, so it fills in nicely. So you're either going to write detective, pilot, both, if you think you would like to be both, or pass if you don't feel like answering. So underneath my picture, I wrote detective. I'm not a big fan of flying, so I don't think a pilot would be a job for me, even though it's a very important job. So for our activity for today, we are actually going to be going through morning message, which has a lot to it. So we're skipping our activity to go through morning message. So good morning. Today is Monday, April 6, 2020. This week, our well-managed skill is staying on task. This is very important. It can be tough to adjust to a new routine when you're learning at home. I know it's been a little bit tough for me, and looking at some of these tips for staying on task have really helped me, and I think they could help you too. So I'm going to focus on a different part of staying on task each day. The first part of staying on task that I'm going to focus on is step 1, look at your task or assignment. So students, you need to log on to Google Classroom and see if you have any makeup assignments. Just look and see what you have to do for the day. That's step 1 for staying on task. If you don't log on and look, it's a little bit hard to get your assignments done. If you need any help logging on to Google Classroom, please let me know. The rest of the steps are here. I'm going to go over step 2 tomorrow. But if you want any great tips for staying on task, they are all here. Some reminders, our Google Meet groups start this week, so please take a look in Google Classroom and look at your times. All you have to do to log in is click on the link, and if you're using an iPhone or an iPad, you just need to download the Google Meets app. My second reminder ties in with step 1 of staying on task. Please complete any missing work. If you do not complete makeup work, it does go in the grade book as a 0. Like I said, I'm very flexible with due dates. If you are not feeling well or can't log on every day, that is okay, but you do have to go back and make sure you get the work completed. So on Friday, I posted a post on everyone's Google Classroom with any makeup assignments that you may have. So please go in, look at that, and resubmit it. For instance, I know for Thursday, I have 8 students who have not yet submitted their reading assignment. So you do have to go back in and do that. Finally, just so you know, you have reading and math assignments this week. You are capable of achieving anything you put your mind to. I am here to help. I hope you have a wonderful day. Warmly, Mrs. Anderson. Don't forget to go back in and complete your share activity so I know if you would rather be a detective or a pilot. And this does count as a participation grade, so please do that. Like I said, have a wonderful day and talk to you tomorrow.